guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Welcome to Winter Wonder Week Day 6. It's over tomorrow. It's the most wonderful week of the year. Hey. So ever since last year when I did my full face using only my mom's makeup products, you guys have been requesting for either me to do her face or my mom to do my face. And after thinking about it for a rough year, I think today is the day where my mom comes to my channel to transform my face into what she thinks is beautiful. Without any further ado, I would love to... Have you ever been on my channel?
What?
All right, so without any further ado, here is Mama Tutorials. Hi, Mama Tutorials.
Hi, Nikki. Hi.
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 You know what's so funny? Pretty much every week, my mom will be like, can you post a Snapchat of us together? Or every week she's gonna be like, can you do something with me on your YouTube channel? And now that you're here, you can't function?
No.
Today, Mama Tutorials is gonna be doing my makeup. Do you have a look in mind?
Yes, I saw a picture on Instagram.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can,
You're doing this look on me today.
yes,
You're confident.
I can do that.
It looks easy. Okay, so this is the look you're gonna create on my face today.
Yes,
I just want
I do.
everyone to have a close look at what I'll look like in the end. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, Mom,
Yes.
do you, stop looking at the microphone. Do you want full coverage foundation or sheer?
What's the difference?
You have what I wear and what you wear.
Sheer.
Sheer, okay. Do you want powder?
A little bit.
A little bit, okay.
To set fast.
Would you like a brush or a sponge to apply my foundation?
A sponge.
A sponge?
Yes.
Have you ever used a sponge on your face?
No?
No?
No.
But you want it on my face?
Yes. I can do that.
What about concealer?
Yes.
Yes. What about the brows? Do you want a pencil? Do you want a powder?
A pencil.
A pencil.
And powder.
I have a foundation for you. This is a sheer coverage foundation. So you don't see it a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
I
why
like that.
she likes that.
I don't like much foundations.
I feel attacked.
Don't laugh.
Is this how you do it on yourself?
No, I don't use foundation.
You don't?
No,
Ever?
no. Yeah, only with a party.
A party? And how do you apply the foundation when you're going to a party?
With a brush.
Oh,
Or my fingers.
Then why are you using a sponge on me?
I want to try it.
Oh, that's good. Nice.
Someone on your nose. A little bit.
Someone on my nose? Who's someone?
I'm sorry, I'm not so very good in English. How I... With the sponge?
Uh-huh.
Ah, okay.
That's it?
Not enough?
You decide.
Not too much is good.
Not too much is good. Okay. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Now what?
Your brows?
No powder?
Oh, yes.
This is the powder and a puff. And then you puff.
Puff and a puff puff.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Is it nice? Do you like that?
Yes.
Okay, next up, brows.
What's the matter?
I love you.
It's nice. Oh. Much better.
Beautiful.
Yes. It's gonna be all right.
Looks pretty even to you.
It's not done. We must do more.
Like?
Concealer?
Where?
Here?
You do that on yourself?
No, but you do.
I would have thought the day that my mom would carve out my brows using concealer.
Okay.
Not bad.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, good job. What's your next step?
Eyeshadow?
What kind of colors do you want?
Brown.
Brown,
Light brown.
light brown,
Sparkling. Silver.
silver. Silver! Oh my! Do you want this?
Yes. I see the brows is not good.
You see the brown.
Yes.
Good job, Mom.
I think that one. Only half of the lid. Oh, so it's. Oh man. Oh, do you have a blend brush? Oh my god. And
Don't give up. You got this.
yes, I go safe. Going upstairs.
Is it going upstairs?
Yes. It's gonna be alright. Blend it up. Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Keep going. You got this. I mean, you created me. What kind of makeup did you wear when you were young? Not that you're not young anymore. I'm sorry.
Brown
Brown.
with light brown. Always lipstick.
What color? What?
Brown.
Dark brown.
Yes.
Okay.
You don't like it. Close your eyes. It's so difficult. I'm so proud of what you do.
Do you want to do the other eye?
And must the same.
Yeah.
Oh, how do I do that? Oh, this, I stop. Oh my God.
What's your favorite makeup product? Mascara? Eyeliner? You always wear blue eyeliner.
Blue eyeliner from MAC.
That's your favorite?
Smooth blue.
I got
always.
her a blue eyeliner by MAC one day and she wore it and she hasn't put it down ever since. And every like 2 months, she'd be like, honey, I ran out. Can you buy me a new one?
Maybe you can do another time. Another
Makeover? Transformation on you?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
But not too.
Too much.
Not too much.
Into a drag queen. Oh, mama!
Oh, pretty.
Hello.
Hello.
Looks beautiful. You do want the other eye? Oh, yes,
Oh.
mama. Beautiful.
Oh, terrible. Look down.
Okay, now what? You're almost there. You got this.
Highlighter?
Highlighter? Sure. Do you want glazed donut?
Yeah,
This one?
that one, yeah.
Bronzer.
Yes, this is enough.
That's enough?
It's enough.
It's enough. Okay.
Lips.
Lips? What kind of color? Do you want pencil? Do you want lipstick? Lip gloss?
Lipstick and lip gloss. A little bit pink nude.
What if you do this one first and then
Yes.
put a gloss over
Oh
top?
yes, that's beautiful. Nice color. Oh. Don't laugh, huh? I'm pretty good at this.
Good job, Mom. Are you done? Yeah? You happy? You happy?
No.
No?
Looking awful.
No.
Yes, only the lips are good, but the no.
So show me your original one more time. Looks totally alike. All right, guys. So that concludes my mom doing my makeup. Period. For the Dutch word of the day. Of course, in yesterday's video, the Dutch word of the day was for game, and that was
Spel.
spell.
Spel.
Yeah. As for today's Dutch word of the day, what shall it be?
Mom.
Mom. Okay, let's
Mother.
go. Moeder.
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 Moeder. That's me. Moeder.
And as always, if you want to be featured in my next video, then leave a comment down below, including the Dutch word of the day, or make a little video with your mom on Instagram and hashtag under Dutch word of the day. As for today's Winter Wonder winner, since my mom is so good with skincare, I wanted to give someone out there the option to get a complete skin renovation. I'm gonna pick one winner and we're gonna email that winner, and with my mom we're gonna see what products work best for you, and then you get all these amazing new skincare items that my mom picked out for you.
Yes.
Right?
That's a good idea.
And all you have to do to enter that giveaway is, of course, be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below about anything.
We have so much fun.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you guys tomorrow for the last day of Winter Wonder Week. Bye.
Bye.
Doei.
Doei.